Rajasthan about a paper leak yet again. The revelations that have come in from the desert state is that one of the former mantris is seeking action specifically on the big fish. And that's an important question, to not just catch anyone, but to catch the big fish. Who's the one who's getting the big chunk of the money and is coordinating this? Former mantri has said bribes are being paid to derail the paper leak probe. Accused were paid 64 lakh rupees bribe to probe officials. Meena is claiming that Gehlot era leaked bribe hush up. So that's the big news coming in. Let's first listen into what Kirodi Lal Meena had to say. And is this just political showdown, or is this a rightful question that needs to be asked?
प्रमाण है, ये पत्र मेरे को दिया था भूपेंद्र सारण ने,
जो जेल में है,
जो जेल में 10/12/2022 को
10/12/2022 को
डाक से मिला था।
डाक से,
लेकिन मैंने उस समय इसलिए उजागर नहीं किया कि आपको पता है सारे मामले उठाए, सबको पर्दा डालते गए गहलोत साहब, चाहे आरएस का पेपर लीक हो, चाहे सब इंस्पेक्टर, जिसमें 1 दर्जन एफआईआर दर्ज हुई सब इंस्पेक्टर के मामले में, उनको भी ढक्कन लगा दिया था। तो अब मैंने ये उचित समझा, चूंकि वो गिरफ्तार है। और
क्या लिखा है
उसने लिखा है कि एसओजी के बड़े अफसर ने मिलके मेरे से करीबन 64 लाख रुपए लिए, किस किस जगह पे कितने कितने कब लिए, समस्त विवरण इसमें है।
जो पेपर लीक की जांच,
हाँ, एडिशनल डीजी साहब को मैंने ये दे दिया। उन्होंने मेरे सामने सरकार को पत्र लिख दिया ताकि ये इसको जांच करें, मोहन पोसवाल को, और इसको बर्खास्त भी करें और गिरफ्तार भी करें। ये मैं कह के आया हूँ।
जो पेपर लीक चाहे कांग्रेस राज में हुए, चाहे अभी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राज में नीट का हो, इससे बड़ा दुर्भाग्य इस राजस्थान के लिए, इस देश के लिए हो नहीं सकता। क्योंकि जो युवा है उसके भविष्य के साथ अगर खिलवाड़ हो रहा है और वही हम नहीं रोक पाए, तो हम लोग कहीं भी इस देश और राजस्थान की जनता के साथ न्याय नहीं कर रहे। किरोड़ी लाल जी को हम सब ने कहा है कि भाई जो भी दोषी है, चाहे कांग्रेस पार्टी का कोई भी नेता है, कार्यकर्ता, वो सब ये चाहते हैं कि जो भी इसमें शामिल है, चाहे बड़े हैं चाहे छोटे हैं, सब के सब जो दोषी लोग वो पकड़े जाने चाहिए। मैंने सदन में भी बोला कि अभी तक आपने छोटी मछलियां पकड़ी है, जो वास्तव में इसमें शामिल हैं उसकी जांच एसओजी करे, यहाँ की कोई भी स्वतंत्र एजेंसी करे, लेकिन वो सलाखों के पीछे जाना चाहिए।
Joining me now, my colleague Devankur Vadavan for the latest on that. Devankur, good morning. Is this just political showdown? Also, do you think that this is perhaps the big issue that concerns the youth? It is eventually and has always been about the big fish, because these coordinates on the ground get arrested and the big fish, often in government service or in the leadership, get away.
Well, it's a very big issue, Pooja. In the last 4-5 years, more than 20 lakh people have been affected due to, various cases of paper leak in Rajasthan. But there are several questions that arise. Dr. Kirodi Lal Meena had recently resigned from the Bhajan Lal Sharma cabinet in Rajasthan because the inner political circles believe that he's a disgruntled politician right now. He did not get the ministry that he wanted. Now, there are several relevant questions that arise. He mentions that he got the letter from Bhupendra Saran, who is an accused of paper leak and is currently lodged in prison in 2022. Now, it's been around 1.5 years. Why was he not providing this evidence or these details before? It's been almost 6 months since Bhajan Lal Sharma government came in Rajasthan. Why did he not give out this letter before he did? So these are several questions that arise whether,
Can we say right now that it's not about one paper leak or another? Are we talking about a specific paper leak here? Or is Meena's statement about generic allegations that have come in on the paper leak in Rajasthan?
Well, Pooja, the allegations leveled by Kirodi Lal Meena are extremely grave. He mentions that Bhupendra Saran, who is a paper leak accused, had given bribes in different branches of more than 60 lakh rupees to Special Operations Group officials who were entrusted with the task of investigating paper leak matter. So this is a very serious allegation and this needs to be investigated, and question needs also to be asked from Dr. Kirodi Lal Meena by the investigating authority, that why did he not provide this evidence before? Pooja?
All right, Devankur, keep tracking all the latest on that, and perhaps it's important to have complete transparency in these papers, in these examinations that the students take. It is, after all, about the future of this country.